Hi, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you really one shocking news from the National Testing Agency regarding the UG Senate examination, guys. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UG Senate examination. Okay, so it is the most important information, guys. So please share. Okay, and to get the more notifications or the latest updates regarding this UG Senate exam, so please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UG Senate exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UG Senate JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the NTA UG Senate, guys. So in this one you may check down here the public notice dated the 10th August 2021. So the opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for June 2021 UG Senate. Okay, so if you click on this one, and then you will be directed to here. So the most of the details I will do in the next video, guys. Okay, so as if right now just I want to inform you immediately, so that's why I'm just doing this quick video. So the complete details I will come up in my next video, okay, by today or else the tomorrow. And you may check down the public notice on 10th August 2021, opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for June 2021 UG Senate. Okay, so due to postponement of the December 2020 UG Senate in view of COVID-19, the schedule of June 2021 UG Senate has been delayed. So in order to regularize the UG Senate examination cycles, the NTA decided to merge both the UG Senate of December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles, so that they be conducted together in the CBT exam. Okay, that means here, are we going to get the two opportunities? Are we going to get the two dates for the December 2020 cycle exam as well as for the June 2021 cycle? Okay, so all these things we will see in the upcoming video, guys. And the application process therefore being reopened for the new applicants to fill in and submit their forms. Okay, and the candidates who have registered for the UG Senate of December 2020 cycle but have not been able to complete the application process can also complete and submit the application form online in the official website during the period specified below. Okay, and the schedule of UG Senate exam, already the online registration link is opened in the official website of the UG Senate, guys. Application form for December 2020 as well as the June 2021 cycles. So here already the application form is opened, so the interested candidates may apply here. So 10th August to 5th September, that means 5th September is the last date for this June 2021 cycle, and the last date for successful transaction of examination fee 6th September 2021, and the correction in the particulars in the application form 7th September to 12th September, and the downloading of admit card dates of examination are mentioned here 6th October to 11th October. Okay, so the dates are also clearly mentioned 6th October to 11th October, and within this duration December 2020 cycle as well as the June 2021 cycle, both these two examinations has to be done. Okay, and that's what they mentioned here, and the timing of examinations are mentioned. So website, it is official website, and the slots of JRFs of both the UG Senate of December 2020 and June 2021 cycles will be merged. Okay, that means the slots of JRF will be merged, while the methodology for subject wise cum category wise allocation of JRF shall remain the unchanged. And the candidates are advised to visit the official website. Okay, if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the help desk number as well as the mail ID is also there. Okay, anyhow, whatever the queries you are having, guys, as early as possible, put your query in the comment section. So today or else tomorrow, I will call to this toll-free number or else to this mail ID. Okay, both the two things I will do, and I will put all your queries. Okay, but through by contact or else through the mail ID. And within 2 days, 2 to 3 days, I will come up with complete answers to all your queries regarding this merged up of UG Senate December 2020 as well as the 2021 examination, guys. Okay, so please share this information to all of your friends or the colleagues who are preparing for the UG Senate examination. So it is a very most important information, guys. Okay, so please don't forget to share. and whatever the queries you are having. So I'm asking you that whatever the queries you are having, just mention all your queries in the comment section. I will make a list of all those things, and in a single phone call I will clear all my doubts. Okay, so I mean, if you are delaying in putting the queries, means then I have to call the multiple times, so it will be somewhat uncomfortable. So put all of your queries, okay, one by one quickly in the comment section. So within 2 to 3 days, I will call to the National Testing Agency toll-free number, okay, and I will come up with the complete answers to all of your queries regarding that one. And in this meanwhile, today evening or else tomorrow, okay, I will just once look all the complete notifications, and if any information brochure is there, all the things I will just look out, and how the application form is there, what are the particulars they told. Okay, I will just once look all these things. Okay, and then whatever the queries I can able to answer, okay, I will answer to your queries, and whatever the queries that I cannot able to answer directly, then I will contact the NTA toll-free number, okay, and then I will find out the answer to your queries, guys. Okay, so it is a video that I want to give you guys, so please share this information, and to get the updates regarding the National Testing Agency. So from now itself, you will get the most of the updates. So to get the immediate update, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.